Good morning to all. Now today we are going to start our new session, and this is for class 5th. Class 5th, this is your maths, and you have to do your maths from this book, Junior Maths. Now we are going to start our first chapter. First chapter is review, which is almost the revision of class 4. So once we will go through with them. Now starting from question number 1. Question number 1. Write using Roman numericals. Means the number you have given and you have to write in Roman number. So how you will write it? 4. First number is 4. You have to write like this, 4. This is in Roman number. Numeric value is given and you have to write in Roman number. So first is 4. Then 6, how you will write 6? Like this. Then 8, like this you have to write. Then 9, like this, and 11. Then 25, like this, 25. Then 33, 30. Then 3. Then 40. Then 45. Then 50. Like this you have to do. You have to do like this type of sums in book only. Now coming on to question number 2. Fill in greater, less than, or equal to. You have to fill it in whether it is greater, smaller, or equal to. So this is 16 and this is 14. So which is greater? 16 is greater. So like this the sign will come. This closed part will come towards the smaller. Clear? Similarly, second part, this is like this. Clear? All part you can do now. Now coming on to next question, question number 3. Write the predecessors of the following. Means predecessors means you have to write the value before this number. Means you have to subtract 1 from the given number. This is called predecessor. Predecessor means you have to write one number before the given number, or you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Like 30,000 is given. So the answer will be one number before this, that is 29999. Like this you have to write. You have to write predecessor. Predecessor means one number before the given number, or you can minus 1 from the given number. Means you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Like this you can do all the sum. Now coming on to question 4. Write the place value of the given digits. Place value you have to write. Like first part it is asking place value of 2. So you have to see 2 where it is coming in the given number. 2 is coming here. After this 2, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are coming. So you have to put like this. 2, 3, 4. Like this you have to put. Now place value of 6. Where 6 is coming? Here. After 6, 2 digits are there. So you have to write 2. To write 2, 0. Now 5. Where 5 is coming? 5 is coming here. After 5 there are 3 numbers. So you have to write 3, 0. Like this. Like this you have to solve the remaining part also. These parts are in homework. You have to do it by your own. Now coming on to question 5. Question 5, it is only plus or minus. So these are very easy. You had done already in class 4th. Only you have to plus the sum or minus. So this question number 5 you can do it by your own. Now coming on to next question, question number 6. You have to fill the missing digits. This question is given, and in this question you have to fill the missing digits. How you will fill? Like the solution is given of plus. So what must be added to 6 so that 8 will come? 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Now coming on to question number 6. Fill in the blanks with missing digits. Means the missing number are there, we have to fill that missing number. So this question is of plus. So what must be added to 6 so that it will become 8? So 6 plus 2 will be 8. So here 2 will come. Now what must be added to 5 so that the answer will come 0? So 5 plus 5 will be 10. So the answer will come 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10, 0 will come here and 1 carry will go here. So 1 plus 4, 5. This will become 5. Now what should be added to this number so that we should get 9? So 5 plus 4. So here 4 will come. 5 plus 4, 9. Now here is 3 and the answer is coming 6. So what should be added to 3 so that 6 will come? 3 will be added. So here will come 3. Like this question has to be done. Clear? Now coming on to B part, this question is of minus. How we have to do this? Since the question is of minus, 3 is coming here and the answer is coming 7. So what must be subtracted from 3? 10 will be subtracted. For 10 you will keep here 0. 0. Then taking 1 carry from here it will become 10 and 10 minus 3 we will get 7. Now what here remain? Here remain 1. Since we had taken 1 carry from here, so here remains only 1. So what we have to subtract from 1 so that we will get 0? So the answer will be 1 only. 1 minus 1, 0. Now here 3 is coming, here 8 is coming. What we have to subtract from 3 so that we will get 8? So 11. If we will subtract 11, if we will subtract 3 from 11, we will get 8. So for 11 you have to keep 1 here. We will take 1 carry from here. It will become 11. Clear? Now since we had taken 1 carry from here, here only 6 is remaining. Now 7 is not remaining, 6 is remaining. Now from 6 what we have to subtract so that we can get 2. So from 6 we have to subtract 4. Here 4 will come. Now 6 minus 2, 4 will be the answer. Like this you have to do the remaining part also. Now coming on to question number 7. This is simple multiplication. You had already done this. So I think you can do this question by your own. Now coming on to next question. Question number 8. This is simple divide. You can easily do it by dividing. Simple divide, this you had done in class 4th also. Now coming on to question number 9. You have to fill in the blanks. So I'm giving you the answers for this. 5 into 16 is equal to 80. So 80 is dash of 5 and 16. What is 80? 80 is multiple of 5 and 10. Now next question. 3 into 5 into 2 is equal to 30. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 are the factor of 30 because all these are coming in the table of 30. So these are factor of 30. Now next question. 18 and 4 are factor of 72. So 72 is dash by 18 and 4. Since 18 and 4 are the factor of 72, that means 72 is divisible by these numbers. So answer will come divisible. Like this. Then next question. Among all these numbers, dash and dash are odd number. You know very well what are odd numbers. The number which are not coming in the table of 2. So what are those numbers? One is 45. Another is 4831. These are the two numbers. Now among these numbers, which are even number. Even number means those are coming in the table of 2. So what all that numbers? 18, then 900, then 32324. These are the numbers. Next, F. The second and third multiple of 18 are dash and dash. Second and third multiple means you have to find out the multiple of 18. So one is 36 and another is 54. Next question, 3 factor of 28 other than 1 and 28. Other than 1 and 28, what all 3 factors of 28 will be? Means the number that are coming in which 28 is coming, like 2. In 2 table 28 is coming. Similarly 4, then 7. This will be the answer. Now next question, to make 253 divisible by 5, the smallest number that need to be added is, what is the smallest number? That is 2. Next, among these numbers, the prime number are, prime number, those numbers which are not coming in any table. It is coming in its own table, and those numbers are 13 and 23. This will be the answer. Next, among these the composite number are 34 and 39. This will be the answer. Now coming on to next question, question number 10. It is multiply. These are simple multiply. You had already done in class 4. So I think you can easily do this. Then question number 11. These are simple divide. You had already done in class 4. I think you can do this. Now from 12th question I will do in next class. Till 11 you have to complete these questions in your homework. For today, till here I am going to do. So thank you.